Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
Hey there, Tony with RVFix. Today we're going to look at a multimeter. You might be thinking, hey, I don't know how to use a multimeter. The good news is we do. But let's just go ahead and have a look here. And we can show you how we can do some troubleshooting with a multimeter. So right here, we're going to go ahead and turn it on. We're going to check the voltage in our batteries right now. So I'm looking for the V for voltage, and that one's got a straight line and a wavy line. Now the straight line is for direct current, and the wavy line is for alternating current, which is basically your shore power plugged in. So we're going to go rotate our dial over there to that V, and it's just going to automatically choose whether we're on AC or DC. So I'm going to put my multimeter right here where I can read it. I'm going to get my black probe, put it on the negative post of the battery, and the red one on the positive. And you can see there, I have 13.5 volts. All right, so let's go on inside. We're going to have a look. So I'm down here in the breaker box. I've got the breaker box open because I need to have a ground to put my black probe on, and that's the easiest place to find a ground, especially right in this general area. So I'm going to go ahead and put my black probe on that ground bus, which is the one that has all the copper wires going to it, and then I can use my red probe to check for voltage. If I touch the little metal tab on the end of the fuse, there, it'll read me that voltage. And then if I try the metal tab on both sides of the fuse and I've got the same voltage, I know that fuse is good. If I test one side of the fuse and I have voltage and the other side of the fuse and I don't, I know I have a blown fuse. I need to change that fuse out and see if that fixes the problem. So also with our multimeter here, we can check for alternating current as well. So we're plugged into shore power, but it just seems like nothing seems to be working right. So we can use our multimeter to check our voltages with the alternating current as well. So on this one, I have my voltage, and we looked at that before. It's got a straight line and a wavy line. The straight line is representing direct current. The wavy line is alternating current. And it shows you down here in the bottom corner that it's on alternating current. I do that by hitting this function button, direct current, alternating current. Now, what I can do, I'm going to get down here a little closer. I can put my black probe on the neutral bus, which is where all the white wires are, and then I touch the red probe to the screws on the breakers, and I can see I have 120 volts coming in. Okay. On this particular coach, it's a 50 amp coach, so I've got a black line coming in from my shore cord. That's got 120 volts. And I've got a red line coming in, and it's got 120 volts. We definitely have power coming in. We can also use our meter to check our outlets and see if we have power in there. So I'm going to put that over here where we can kind of see it. And then I'll just take my probes and just stick them inside the slots on the outlet. And then we look at the meter and read the meter. I have 120 volts. So we're in good shape. If you'd like to get a multimeter, follow the link in the description below. And remember, like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.